Welcome to Lotus Student Mentors channel. In this session, we are going to study what is output in Python. The Python output function comes, what is that we're using the print function, we are going to get the output in Python. If you want to print the printing variables such as single and multiple variables, we have to use the print function. This is the print function has been used to print single and multiple variables. The multiple variables can be printed by separating them with commas. Let us see here, this is a single variable, that is single variable s equal to in a string, that is the string is lotus. Then if you substitute the print s, the output become the lotus. If we come to multiple variables, the multiple variables are more than one. That is s is the lotus string and age is the integer variable, that is age is 25, and city is the string variable. These are the three. There are two string variables, one integer variable is there. If we want to print these multiple variables, what to be done? We have to separate with multiple variables in the print function with commas. That is s comma age comma city. Then the output becomes becomes Lotus 25 New York. This comma won't be printed. Now let us demonstrate practically in Python this string single and multiple variables. Here I'm going to share the same as it is, the single as that is s. Let us see what will happen here if we run in Python, that is ideally platform, run, that is F5. There is yes, save. There is error come invalid character. What is that invalid character here? The string, that is comma, that is which one you have to use, quotation, double quotation. Then here also one more is there, that is quotation. If you go for it, then go to save and press F5 directly, automatically it will run. Let's see the program has been executed, that is lotus comma 25, lotus 25 New York. So this is a demonstration of single and multiple variable. Coming to the next is that what is output formatting? It is very important, this output formatting concept in Python, such a way that we can understand information better and it is actionable, especially the output what is going to be printed. Now here there are various methods are there in output formatting. In this video we are going to study, there are 4 formatting methods are there, but in this video we are going to study, we will try to explain it all, but otherwise we will go for the part 2. That is the first case is that our first one is that formatting output string using string modulo operator. The string modulo operator method is so important for the information, to understand the information better. So what is that string modulo operator is that it is one of the ways formatting strings, especially formatting strings. Now in printing function, the string modulo operator is used, what to be done, embedding values within a string by keeping format specifiers in the string. Then how to specify it? By using modulo operator, that's called percentage symbol. We use it and closes with a character. Here the program we are going to mention here, there are programs and we are going to demonstrate practically also, such a way that we can understand better. Now the string modulo operator, by using that print geeks here, that is percentage %d portal and all. So let us go for explaining the practical demonstration of string modulo operator. The string modulo operator, this string modulo operator, instead of here we can use the lotus I'm going to demonstrate it one thing. Very important thing is that control S, the point is why it is percentage %d, modulo operator with d, modulo operator with 4d, modulo operator with 6d. What is that meaning? D for the decimals, that is called integers. What is the 4? It indicates the 4 spaces, 4 characters. It is for 1D means 1 character. The 4 spaces, the what to be embedded here, the 4 will be embedded into lotus D, and second one 06.333 will be embedded into portal space, that is 1.3F. This 1 indicates, what is that 1 indicates? This 1 denotes the character, the space, 1 in to console. What is the 3? 3 indicates after decimal there are 3 specifying spaces will be there. Here 1 is the total, it is 1, that is the 6. After that it is the complete total number of characteristics are. Let us, what I did here, lotus, that is 1D here is 4D and 6D. Let us see if it is 1D what will happen, it is 4D what will happen, it is 6D, but there will be spaces will be there. That means suppose is the 4, don't think is the 4 single digit, 1D means 1 digit, no, 1 space. The character it is will be occupied spaces, that 4 will be printed, there is no, then 4D means total 4, in that 4, 3 will gaps will come, 3 spaces, and in the 1 space this 4 will be there. That means before this D and this is D, there are 3 spaces gap, but distance will be more. And about 6D, in the output, if you can see it, there are 6 spaces. So initial 5 spaces will be gap will be there, and the last space the 4 will be printed. Similarly here 1.3F, 4.3F, 8.3F, because 3F means there are 3 digits, that is 333 will be printed. Let us see in this case, Control S, the run is F function. Then you can see it here, lotus 4, this is the 1D no, here it is the 1D, and it is for, what is that? Now before 1, how many Ds are there? That is what 4D. That means 3 spaces, next it is the 4. In this, what is the next one is 6D, that means there are 5 spaces, next will be printed. What that is the difference between 1D or 4D or 5D. Okay, that means space will be given. Similarly, before here also 1.3F, 1, 4, 8. I gave first one is total 1 space, next one is 4 spaces means 2 will be already 2 spaces, next third 3 spaces, next one is this one last space. Similarly here also 8 spaces. That is the difference between 1D, this 1D, 4D and 8D. Suppose if I give here 1F, then I'll give here 2F, and here it is 3F. Then what will happen? 1F means 1 space in that 6 point. What will happen? Decimal. This 1F means 1 float number. After that single digit, that 6.3 will be printed in the first one. The second one 2, 6.33, and the third one 6.333. Control S, print F. Then what will happen? You can see 4 portal. What is the next one? 6.3, 6.33 and the 6.333. This is the difference between 1F, 1.1F, 2F and 3F. That is the meaning of this. By using string modulo operator, we are going to, this is what output format by using string modulo operator. So this is whatever we have studied. The next case is that now here we use, the next case is the total number of students. What is the meaning of total number of students? Here only decimals are there, there is no float. What it will do, this one will be printed the integer value. The integer value, we are going to demonstrate that integer value. Yes, the third one is, yes, this is the integer value. In this case, you can see the total number of total students are 1D. What is that number? 240. Don't think 1D means it is only 1 decimal. 1 decimal, 1 integer. No, here the spaces, the 1D means 1 space character. Let us see here more, it you can understand better. What is the meaning of this This 3D, you can understand what is the percentage of 3D. That string modulo operator 3D means outputs a decimal integer number that fills at least 3 character spaces. It fills the 3 means in integer. This percentage indicates the string modulo operator. 3 indicates at least 3 character spaces. Decimal integer, what is the decimal integer? It fills at least 3 character spaces and padded with empty space. Suppose 6 will be printed as 6, 120 will be printed as 120. The second one related to the float. What is the meaning of percentage of 5.2f? String modulo operator 5.2f. It outputs a floating point number that fills at least total how much? 5 character spaces including decimal separators. And after that, what is that? After decimal, how many digits floating number will be there? 2f means 2 digits will be printed, padded with 2 empty spaces. Similarly, that is the meaning of this. What is the percentage 3D, percentage 5.2f? Now the practical demonstration is that here in this you can see the total number of students, D decimal, what is that? 1 character space, that is 240 will be printed. Similarly 120. If it is the 4D, what will happen? Total 4 decimals, spaces will be there. Already 1, 2, 3, 1 space will be there. Then 6D, here how many spaces? 2, 4, 0, 3 spaces will be occupied. But total 6D, we have given more space. That means 3 spaces gap will be given. In that 3 spaces, 240 will be printed. Now 1D means is only 1 space. There is no space will be given 120. The 4D means 1, 2, 0, 3 spaces. That means 1 space should giving gap. After that 1, 2, 0 will be. Similarly 6D means, what is the 6D meant for? Total how many? 1, 2, 0. It occupies 3 spaces. That means 3 spaces will be left over. Now let us see what is the output of this. The output here you can see it. 240, yes, no space. But here we have given 4 spaces. That means what will happen? How many given? We gave 4D. 4D means 1 space left. Then remaining 3 spaces 240. The next one is 6D. 6D means 240 occupies 3 spaces. Remaining 2 spaces will be left. 1, 2 and 4. Here you see 2 spaces left over. The total number of spaces. Total number of spaces. Now similarly 120, 120 and 120. This is also the same meaning. It is applicable here. This is what about the output formatting of, what is the meaning of this output formatting of string, that modulo operator. The next we go for one more output operator, that is that here if you want to substitute the print, that is octane value. The octane value, this O for octane value. This O for octane value, just we can make it as, I am going to deactivate it. If you use sharp or hash, then it will be converted as a statement. Now the print octane value, if you want to print octane value, suppose it is a 35. The 35 will be inserted, that will be converted into the octane value. Let us see what is the octane value. For 35 the octane value is 0.43. Okay, 35 octane value 0.43. The next one is, if you want to make it, suppose we want exponential value. What is that exponential value? The exponential value, if you want to use for exponential conversion, 456.08977. If you want to convert exponential, how much we have given here? 10.3e. That means total 10 spaces we are given. In that all spaces after the decimal 3e. Let us see what will be the output here. The output is how much? 4.56 into 10 power 2. Okay, in this manner we can use the output formatting. We can use the output formatting by using this single, what you call string modulo operator. I hope you understood the string modulo operator and as in output format. Thank you for watching.